Okay, it's now time to import questions from a spreadsheet, which takes a few steps, but this is the process you're going to use if you'd like to get a Kahoot set into Gimkit for use with this new platform. So I'm going to use this Gimkit intro video kit here. I'm going to click edit. I've only got 2 questions in here. I'm going to click import from spreadsheet, and this is a template. If you click that, you'll be prompted to make a copy, but I already have the copies here. Specify the question, correct answer, and incorrect answers. That's this. I have that on the sheet right here on the Gimkit start to finish sheet. Correct answers, all answers template. That's question, correct answer, incorrect answer, 1, 2, 3. Or your other option is the specify just the question and the correct answer, and that is this template: question, correct answer, and then Gimkit will automatically import distractors, incorrect answers from your other questions. All right, now I'm going to demonstrate the process for adding from that spreadsheet. So we click import from spreadsheet. We've already got our templates downloaded. I have those here for you, or you can get them right here as well. And then it's instructing you to copy your information into the spreadsheet and download it as a comma separated value. So I've got this spreadsheet here. I'm using the question and correct answer only spreadsheet. It will auto populate my other 2 answers that are incorrect. And I could just type right here and type my question and type my correct answer, but I actually have the downloaded spreadsheet for the Kahoot set on the Mongols right here. I've highlighted these 6 questions and the correct answer, just the first 2 columns. I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to paste them into the spreadsheet. Right, so now I've got the question and the correct answer. I renamed the spreadsheet so that I can easily find it in my downloads folder. And I click File, Download, and I want to download it as a comma separated value. And that's what we're going to take a look at as well for the Quizlet export. So I click that, it downloads, and now I go back to Gimkit, upload file, and I want Mongols example right here. That's what I renamed it. If you don't see it, maybe click on all files so that everything displays. I click that, and boom, there it is. It's uploaded those 6 questions in addition to my question set. And you can see I get these weird NBSP. Any character that it's not sure what to do with, it just converts to this gibberish. You just edit the question and then get rid of those. All right. And we've got 3 of them in here. My original question in Kahoot had pictures in there, and that's why that happened. Text, it usually isn't an issue. Save, and now it's cleaned up. Okay, and now I've got my questions and my answers, and everything is good. And I can change this one as well. Okay, so that's how you upload from a spreadsheet.